1.6g, the first ones you're going to do are the same as always. You're going to be adding these or subtracting these numbers, writing the sum or difference on these lines. You can draw a picture to help you. You can use counters, you can use your fingers, you can use any manipulative you have to solve these problems. Next one, we're going to write the missing numbers, 36, 37. Okay, well, I know that I'm adding one more each time. Let's see if that makes sense. 36, 37, 38, 39. That does make sense. 38, 39, 40, 41, 50, 49, 48. I see my pattern is I'm counting backwards by 1, 48, 47, 46, 45. There are 4 fish bowls in the pet store, which has the greatest number of fish. Well, I know greatest means the most number of fish. So in this bowl, I see 2 fish. In this bowl, I see 3 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this bowl, I see 8 fish. And in this bowl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. I know 8 is the greatest number of fish. Showing the number 23 in 3 different ways. I could represent it in expanded form. I could represent it in a pictorial form, which is 2 10s and 3 1s. I could represent it as 1 10 and 13 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I could even represent as 13 ones. Ryan cut his pie into 4 equal parts. Draw Ryan's pie. Well, I know his pie is a circle, so I'm going to divide it into 4 equal parts, or a fourth, or 4 fair shares. And each section or share is worth 1 out of 4 parts. This part is optional, but I would recommend it for your own good, for your own memory. Kendall folded her square into 2 equal parts. Draw Kendall square. So you're going to draw a square. Remember, squares have 4 equal sides and 4 square corners. And we're going to divide into 2 equal parts. So you could represent it like this, or you could represent it like this, or you could represent it like this. Does Kendall square show halves or quarters? So we're folding it into 2 equal parts, so we know 2 equal parts is halves. The figure below shows, well, I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, so it shows fourths because I'm looking for that 4. Jose wanted to share his candy bar with a friend. He wanted to partition his candy bar into 2 equal parts. Show what Jose's candy bar would look like. So this again has multiple options. I notice this is a rectangle, so I could try and divide it diagonally into 2 triangles. I could divide it in half this way, or I could divide it in half this way. Actually, you don't see the other line. Those would have all been okay answers.